This is the Husky 62-inch adjustable height work table.
Today we unpackage and assemble this table, and I'll give you my initial impressions about the build quality and finish and the assemble process.
Attached to the packaging, before you can take any of the parts out, is the use and care guide.
For those that are coming back looking for the 10G server build, almost all the parts are in, and that build guide is coming soon.
It's a really pretty laminate, and the surface is textured, almost feels like playing cards. Seems like the adjustable leg assembly. There's your crank. It's already put together for you.
I purchased this Husky workbench from Home Depot, and we really needed a heavy work table with adjustable height and a professional surface. This was the most affordable option at $229 US available locally. So it will be interesting to see if the table proves to be a value or a dud. The reviews online were consistently positive, so I'm hopeful it proves to be a good investment. First off, this is a heavy table, so having a helper is almost a must. Husky sells this workbench in 4 sizes, from 47 by 24 to a whopping 72 by 24. This is the 62-inch model, and the price difference for that extra 12 inches made this table, to me, a more sensible choice.
The finish on the individual parts, there were no sharp edges. I've never felt like my hand was going to get cut, or there was a surface that I touched that felt like my hand could be cut. So obviously the product went through a great deal of quality control before it gets to the end user. The surface, this laminate, has a very interesting texture to it. It almost feels like the back of expensive playing cards. And clearly they've incorporated that texture in this finish to prevent gouging. The work surface will hold up longer over time. And we will be following up with a review on this product in 6 months, and we'll take a close look at the work surface and see how it's holding up. The crank mechanism works just fine. They're in the build and use guide. They do go over not loading the table and then making adjustments. So you want to adjust your height to whatever height you need, and then you can put a load on it. But if you tried to crank it with too much weight, I could see where you could bind up on the adjustment. My first impressions of the product is it's very good quality, and I look forward to using it. The Husky 62-inch work table. I hope this video was helpful. If you or your organization have a product that would benefit from a professional demonstration, or you'd like to submit a product for review, contact us directly at pilotreel.com. Thanks for watching.